Hello friends, let's enter exercise 8.1. Question number 1. In triangle PQR, ST is a line such that PS by SQ equals to PT by TR, and also angle PST equals to angle PRQ. Prove that triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. So this is the figure they have given in the question here. So I have drawn the same figure in the solution. So in the given case, I have written whatever was given in the question. So required to be proved, triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Let us move into the proof. So here, if PS by SQ equals to PT by TR, then you see here PS by SQ equals to PT by TR, then ST is parallel to QR. This is as per converse of basic proportionality theorem. It's as per theorem 8.2. This we have done in our previous video. Okay. If PS by SQ equals to PT by TR, then ST is parallel to QR. This is as per the converse of basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. So here ST is a line parallel to QR. So when you consider these two as the parallel lines and PQ as a transversal here, then angle S and angle Q are equal because angle S and angle Q are corresponding angles. So I'll repeat again here. In case these two lines you assume it as parallel lines and you assume PQ as a transversal, then angle S and angle Q are corresponding angles. So let us write the same thing in a notebook. So here angle S can be written as angle PST, correct? So write the same thing, angle PST equals to angle Q can be written as angle PQR, correct? Angle PST equals to angle PQR. Since, write the condition that since if ST is parallel to QR, then angle PST and angle PQR are corresponding angles, correct? Or corresponding angles. So we have learned in our class 9 that in case two angles, here they have given R angle value and S angle value are same. So from the condition of corresponding angles, we got to know that angle Q value and angle S value will be same. See, I'll tell you how. So put this as equation 1 and put this as equation 2. So when you see here, angle PST equals to angle PRQ, this is already given here. Angle PST equals to angle PQR. So from both these two equations you can make it equated that angle PRQ equals to angle PQR. So write the same thing here. From equation 1 and equation 2, angle PRQ equals to angle PQR, correct? So that implies in this triangle here Q and R are equal. So we have learnt in our class 9 that when two angles of a triangle are equal, then their opposite sides are equal. So here let me make you clear. So this is triangle PQR. In case these two angles are equal, that implies that opposite side of angle Q is PR and opposite side of angle R is PQ, correct? Then this opposite sides becomes equal. Therefore, opposite side of angle R is PQ. PQ equals to opposite side of angle Q is PR equals to PR. Write the condition since if two angles of a triangle are equal, if two angles of a triangle or equal, then their opposite sides are equal. Then their opposite sides are equal. Here, for the triangle PQR, two sides are equal. So here, if the two sides are equal, if two sides of a triangle are equal, then if two sides of a triangle are equal, then the given triangle forms isosceles triangle. Forms isosceles triangle. If two sides of a triangle are equal, then the given triangle forms isosceles triangle. Therefore, triangle PQR forms isosceles triangle. Clear? They asked us to prove this only, right? Hence, proved. Let me explain you this again. See, what did we do here? Here, as per the converse of basic proportionality theorem, we have done this ST is parallel to QR. In case these two are parallel lines and you consider PQ as a transversal, then angle S is considered as angle PST equals to angle PQR. Correct? So this is as per the corresponding angles. So when you consider the given equatorial angles as equation 1 and the angles we equated as equation 2, from equation 1 and 2 we can write it as angle PRQ equals to angle PQR. So in case two angles of a triangle are equal, then their opposite sides are equal. For Q, the opposite side will be PR, and for R, the opposite side will be PQ. Therefore, PQ equals to PR. Since if two angles of a triangle are equal, then their opposite sides are equal. If two sides of a triangle are equal, then the given triangle forms the isosceles triangle. Therefore, triangle PQR forms isosceles triangle. Hence, proved. So this is the solution for question number 1. I hope you like this video. In case you like the video, do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.